learn about radical exponent. Before you watch this video, please subscribe the channel so that you will not miss video in upcoming days. And what I recommend to you that first you have to watch exponent video. This will help to understand the basic concept of exponent. And you can see the earlier exponent video in description below. Okay, now let's go. What is radical? The symbols that express a root number is radicals. That symbol is called radicals. Here you go, let's look an example. This is square root. Similarly, this is cube root. Here you go, this is nth root. This expression or these symbols are radicals. Now move to the question. Question number 1. Which radical expression is equivalent to x to the power 1 over 2? What we know is that x to the power m over n is same as nth root of x to the power m. Here you go. In our question, x to the power 1 over 2. That means it is square root x. This is same as like this, square root. That means answer is B, square root x. Now move to the question number 2. Which expression is equivalent to 7th root x to the power 4? We already studied that x to the power m over n is the same as nth root of x to the power m. In our question, 7th root x to the power 4. That means x to the power 4 multiply 1 over 7. X to the power 4 over 7. The answer is B, x to the power 4 over 7. Similarly, in question number 3, which radical expression is equivalent to x to the power 3 over 4? This 4 is 4th root. This 4 is 4th root means 4th root x to the power 3. Answer is A. In question number 4, which expression is equivalent to 4th root 6x to the power 3rd? This 4th root is 1/4 power of 6x to the 3rd power. 6x to the power 3rd to the power 1 over 4. The answer is A, 6x cube to the power 1/4. Similarly, question number 5. Which expression is equivalent to square root 6 to the power 7? This square root is 1/2 power of 6 to the power 7. That means 6 to the power 7 to the power 1/2. Now we have to use the exponent power of exponent property. That means power is multiplied. 6 to the power 7 over 2. Answer is D, 6 to the power 7 over 2. Similarly, in question number 6, which expression is equivalent to cube root 8x to the power 2? This cube root is 1/3 power of 8x to the power 2. That means 8x square to the power 1/3. Similarly, we can also write 8 as 2 to the power 3rd. X square to the power 1/3. Now we have to use power of exponent property. That means power is multiplied. 2 to the power 3rd multiply 1 over 3rd. X to the power 2nd multiply 1 over 3rd. This 3 cancel. 2x to the power 2 multiply 1 2. 2 over 3. The answer is C, 2x to the power 2 over 3. In question number 7, which expression is equivalent to 2 fourth root of 16x to the third power? This fourth root is 1/4 power That means 2 16x cube to the power 1/4. 2, the fourth root of 16 is 2. That means we can write 16 as 2 to the power 4, x to the power 3 to the power 1/4. Now we have to use power of exponent property. That means power is multiplied. 2 to the power 4 multiply 1 over 4, x to the power 3rd multiply 1 over 4. This power 4 cancel. 2 to the power 1 means 2. X to the power 3 multiply 1, 3 over 4. Now this 2 multiply 2, 4 x to the power 3 over 4. In our option, only option D is correct. 4x to the power 3 over 4. Similarly, now move to the question number 8. Which expression is equivalent to 2 fourth root 2 to the power minus 4 x to the power 4? The question looks like the same as previous one, but it is different. This fourth root is 1/4 power of 2 to the power minus 4 x to the power 4. That means 2 to the power minus 4 x to the power 4 to the power 1/4. Now we have to use power of exponent property. That means power is multiplied. 2 to the power minus 4 multiply 1 over 4, x to the power 4 multiply 1 over 4. This 4 cancel. 2 to the power minus 1, x to the power, this 4 cancel, x to the power 1 means x. What we know that a to the power minus 1 is same as 1 over a. That means 2 multiply, we can write 2 to the power minus 1 is 1 over 2 multiply x. This 2 to cancel, just x is remain. That means option D, x. Now move to the question number 9. We have to find out value of x. 3 to the power 2x over 3 equals 9 to the power x minus 2. We have base 3 on left side and we have base 9 on right side. So in such types of question, always try to make same base. We're gonna make same base by just write 9 is 3 square. 3 to the power 2x over 3 equals, we can write 9 is 3 square to the power x minus 2. 3 to the power 2x over 3 equals, now we have to use power of exponent property. That means power is multiplied. 3 to the power 2 multiply x, 2x minus 2 multiply 2, 4. Now we have same base. If we have same base, power should be equal. 2x over 3 equals 2x minus 4. Now you have to cross multiply. 2x equals 3 multiply 2x, 6x minus 3 multiply 4, 12. When this positive 6x moves to left, it's gonna be negative. 2x minus 6x equals minus 12. 2x minus 6x minus 4x equals minus 12. This negative sign cancel. X equals 12 over 4. 12 divided by 4, 3. Therefore x equals 3. Answer is C, 3. Now move to the question number 10. We have to find out value of x. 2 to the power x over 3 equals 4th root 2 to the power x plus 1. This 4th root is 1/4 power of 2 to the power x plus 1. 2 to the power x over 3 equals 2 to the power x plus 1 to the power 1/4. 2 to the power x over 3 equals, now we have to use power of exponent property. That means power is multiplied. X plus 1 over 4. Now we have same base. If base are same, power should be equal. X over 3 equals x plus 1 over 4. Now we have to cross multiply. 4 multiply x, 4x equals 3 multiply x, 3x. 3 multiply 1, 3. When this 3x moves to left side, it's gonna be negative. 4x minus 3x equals 3. 4x minus 3x, x equals 3. Answer is B, 3. Now move to the question number 11. Cube root under 64. This cube root is 1/3 power. Similarly, we have square root 64. Here you go. We can write 64 as 2 to the power 6. And what we know that root under a means a to the power 1/2. Similarly, we can write 2 to the power 6 multiply 1 over 2. Cube root 6 divided by 2, 3. 2 to the power 3. Similarly, this cube root is 1/3 power. That means 2 to the power 3 multiply 1 over 3. 3 cancel. 2 to the power 1 means 2. Answer is B, 2. Now move to the question number 12. Cube root 125 x to the power 3 divide 27 y to the power minus 3 to the power minus 2. This cube root is 1/3 power. Cube root, we can write 125 as 5 to the power 3rd. Similarly, x to the power 3rd divide. Similarly, we can write 27 as 3 to the power 3rd. Y to the power minus 3 to the power minus 2. Now we have to use power of exponent property. That means power is multiply. Cube root 5 to the power 3 multiply minus 2 minus 6. X to the power 3 multiply minus 2 minus 6. On denominator 3 multiply minus 2 minus 6. Y to the power minus 3 minus 2 positive 6. Now this cube root is 1/3 power. 5 to the power minus 6, x to the power minus 6, and denominator 3 to the power minus 6, y to the power 6 to the power 1/3. Now we have to use power of exponent property. Power is multiply. 5 to the power minus 6 multiply 1 over 3, x to the power minus 6 multiply 1 over 3. Similarly, on denominator 3 to the power minus 6 multiply 1 over 3, y to the power 6 multiply 1 over 3. 6 divided by 3, 2. Similarly, 6 divided by 3, 2. 2. 6 divided by 3, 2. 5 to the power minus 2, x to the power minus 2. On denominator 3 to the power minus 2, y to the power 2. If we move 5 to the power minus 2 on denominator, it's gonna be positive. That means 5 square means 25. X to the power minus 2, when it moves to denominator, it becomes positive, x square. Similarly, on denominator we have 3 to the power minus 2. When it moves to numerator, it's gonna be positive. 3 square means 9. And the remaining is y square. 9 over 25 x square y square. That means answer is C. This cube root is 1/3 power. And we can write 9 as 3 square. 3 square x to the power minus 2 y to the power 7 power 1/3 multiply 3 x to the power 5 y square to the power 1/3. Now we have to use power of exponent property. Power is multiply. 3 to the power 2 multiply 1 over 3, 2 over 3. Similarly, x to the power minus 2 over 3, y to the power 7 over 3. Multiply 3 to the power 1 over 3, x to the power 5 over 3, y to the power 2 over 3. If we multiply the exponent of same base, power is added. That means a to the power x multiply a to the power y. That means a to the power x plus y. Here you go in our question, 3 to the power 2 over 3 plus 1 over 3. Similarly, x to the power minus 2 over 3 plus 5 over 3. Y to the power 7 over 3 plus 2 over 3. 3 to the power, the LCM is 3. 2 plus 1, 3. X to the power minus 2 plus 5, 3. Y to the power 7 plus 2, 9. This 3 cancel, 3 cancel, 9 divided by 3, 3. 3x y to the power third. The answer is C, 3x y to the power third. Now move to the question number 4. Fourth root 8 to the power minus 1, a to the power 5, b to the power minus 2. Divide fourth root 2, a to the power minus 3, b to the power 6. A to the power minus 1, a to the power 5, b to the power minus 2 to the power 1/4. Similarly, on denominator 2, a to the power minus 3, b to the power 6 to the power 1/4. Similarly, we can write 8 as 2 to the power third. That means 2 to the power third to the power minus 1. That means 2 to the power minus 3. 2 to the power minus 3, a to the power 5, b to the power minus 2 to the power 1/4. Similarly, on denominator 2, a to the power minus 3, b to the power 6 to the power 1/4. Now we have to use power of exponent property. That means power is multiply. 2 to the power minus 3/4, a to the power 5/4, b to the power minus 2/4. Similarly, on denominator 2 to the power 1/4, a to the power minus 3/4, b to the power 6/4. Now on denominator we have 2 to the power minus 3/4. If we move this 2 to the power minus 3/4 to denominator, it's gonna be positive. That means 2 to the power 1/4 plus 3/4. On denominator we have a to the power minus 3/4. If we move to numerator, it's gonna be positive. A to the power 5/4 plus 3/4. And similarly, we have to move b to the power minus 2/4 to denominator. B to the power 6/4 plus 2/4. A to the power, the LCM is 4, 5 plus 3, 8. 2 to the power 1 plus 3, 4. B to the power 6 plus 2, 8. 8/4. 8 divided by 4, 2. 4 cancel. 8 divided by 4, 2. The answer is a square 2b square. The answer is a square divided 2b square. Now move to the question number 15. 2x plus 4th root 4 to the power x equals 6th root 32. We have to find out value of x. This 2x plus 4 is 1 over 2x plus 4th power. 2x plus 4, we can write 4 as 2 square x. 6th root, we can write 32 as 2 to the power 5. This 2x plus 4 is 1 over 2x plus 4 power. That means 2 to the power 2 multiplied to 2x to the power 1 over 2x plus 4. Similarly, this 6th root is 1 over 6th power, 2 to the power 5 over 6. Now power is multiplied, 2 to the power 2x over 2x plus 4 equals 2 to the power 5 over 6. Now we have same base. That means power should be equal. 2x over 2x plus 4 equals 5 over 6. Now we have to cross multiply. 2 multiply 6, 12x equals 5 multiply 2x, 10x plus 5 multiply 4, 20. 12x, when this 10x move to left side, it's gonna be negative, minus 10x equals 20. 12x minus 10x, 2x equals 20. X equals 20 divided 2. 20 divided by 2, 10. Therefore, x equals 10. The answer is C, 10. Now move to the question number 16. 3 to the power x plus 1 plus 3 to the power x equals 4 over 81. We can write 3 to the power x plus 1 is 3 to the power x multiply 3 to the power 1 plus 3 to the power x equals 4 over 81. We can take 3 to the power x common. 3 to the power 1 means 3 plus 1 equals 4 over 81. 3 to the power x, 3 plus 1, 4 equals 4 over 81. This 4 cancel. Now we have 3 to the power x over 1 over 81. 3 to the power x equals 1 over. We can write 81 as 3 to the power 4. 3 to the power x equals, when this 3 to the power 4 moves to numerator, it's gonna be negative. 3 to the power minus 4. Now we have same base. If base are same, power should be equal. That means x equals minus 4. The answer is D, minus 4. Now move to the question number 17. Square root 4 equals 64 to the power x. What we know that root under a is same as a to the power 1/2. Here we go in our question. Square root 4, we can write square root 4 as 4 to the power 1 over 2 equals 64 to the power x. If we multiply the exponent of same base, power is added. That means 4 to the power 1 plus 1 over 2. We can also write 64 as 4 to the power 3rd to the power x. 4 to the power 1 plus 1 over 2, 4 to the power 3 over 2 equals 4 to the power 3x. Now this square root is 1/2 power. That means 4 to the power 3 over 2 multiply 1 over 2 equals 4 to the power 3x. 4 to the power 3 multiply 1, 3. 2 multiply 2, 4. 4 to the power 3 over 4 equals 4 to the power 3x. Now we have same base. If base are same, power should be equal. That means 3 over 4 equals 3x. Now cross multiply. 3 equals 12x. X equals 3 over 12. 12 divided by 3, 4. X equals 1 over 4. The answer is B, 1 over 4. Now this is your home assignment. You have to solve this question and write answer in comment section. Square root 3, square root 3, square root 3 equals 27 to the power x. We can also solve this question just like the previous one. Square root 3, square root 3. This square root means 3 to the power 1/2 equals, we can write 27 is 3 to the power 3 to the power x. 3 square root 3. If we multiply the exponent of same base, power is added. That means 3 to the power 1 plus 1 over 2. That means 3 to the power 3 over 2 equals 3 to the power 3x. Square root 3. If we remove the square root sign, that means 3 to the power 3 over 2 multiply 1 over 2 equals 3 to the power 3x. Square root 3 multiply 3. 3 multiply 1, 3. 2 multiply 2, 4. 3 to the power 3 over 4 equals 3 to the power 3x. If we multiply the exponent of same base, power is added. That means square root 3 to the power 1 plus 3 over 4 equals 3 to the power 3x. Square root 3 to the power 4 plus 3, 7. 7 over 4 equals 3 to the power 3x. Now for this square root sign, we can write 3 to the power 7 over 4 multiply 1 over 2 equals 3 to the power 3x. 7 multiply 1, 7. 4 multiply 2, 8. 3 to the power 7 over 8 equals 3 to the power 3x. Now we have same base. If base are same, power should be equal. 7 over 8 equals 3x. Now cross multiply. 7 equals 8 multiply 3, 24x. X equals 7 over 24. The answer is A, 7 over 24. Now move to the question number 19. 4 to the power x minus 3 equals 0.25. 4 to the power x minus 3 equals, we can write 0.25 is 1 over 4. 4 to the power x minus 3, and we also know that 1 by a can be write as a to the power minus 1. That means we can write 1 over 4 as 4 to the power minus 1. Now we have a same base. If base are same, power should be equal. X minus 3 equals minus 1. When minus 3 moves to right side, it's gonna be positive. X equals minus 1 plus 3. X to the power minus 1 plus 3, 2. Answer is 2. Now move to the question number 20. 4 to the power x minus 1 plus 4 to the power x minus 2 plus 4 to the power x minus 3 equals 21. We have to find out value of x. Here you go. We can write 4 to the power x minus 1 is 4 to the power x multiply 4 to the power minus 1. Similarly, 4 to the power x multiply 4 to the power minus 2 plus 4 to the power x multiply 4 to the power minus 3 equals 21. Now take 4 to the power x is common. 4 to the power x. We can write 4 to the power minus 1 is 1 over 4. Similarly, 4 to the power minus 2 is 1 over 4 square. 4 square means 16 plus 1 over 4 cube means 64 equals 21. 4 to the power x equals, the LCM is 64, and 64 divided by 4, 16, plus 64 divided by 16, 4, plus 1 equals 21. 4 to the power x, 16 plus 4, 20, 20 plus 1, 21. 21 over 64 equals 21. Now this 21 cancel. 4 to the power x equals 64. We can write 64 as 4 to the power 3. Now we have same base, that means power is equal. X equals 3. Answer is C, 3. Now this is the last question. 8 to the power x minus 2 to the power x divide 2 to the power x equals 15. We have to find out value of x. We can write 8 as 2 multiply 4 to the power x minus 2 to the power x divide 2 to the power x equals 15. Now we can write 2 to the power x multiply 4 to the power x minus 2 to the power x 2 to the power x equals 15. Now we have to take 2x as common. 2 to the power x, 4 to the power x minus 1 on denominator 2 to the power x equals 15. This 2 to the power x, 2 to the power x cancel. 4 to the power x minus 1 equals 15. When this negative 1 moves to right side, it's gonna be positive. 4 to the power x equals 1 plus 15. 4 to the power x equals 16. We can write 16 as 4 square. Now we have same base. If base are same, power should be equal. That means x equals 2. The answer is 2. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.